Stretch your palms. Breathe in, out. Look like you are swimming backwards, okay? Two legs are parallel together, wider than your shoulders, okay? So you can draw a circle from your lower abdomen and breathe in, up. Okay, stand up like that. And then you stretch your palm. Breathe out. You draw the circle down and squat your two legs. Massage this often can help yourself to circulate your lower abdomen, your stomach, and improve your digestive system. Okay, breathe in. And then massage your two arms. Massage your two arms. Okay, breathe in. Raise your hands up. Stand by the toes. And then, okay, breathe out. Let it go. The most important thing is the body. When you have body, the way nourish your joy, nourish your health is every breath. And every single breath that is very precious. When you breathe with the energy of compassion, energy of love, energy of mindfulness, that will bring some different energy. You can release the stress and healing and have calmness. That's why healing happens right away. Breathe in. In. Out. Relax your shoulders. Relax your lower back. And then you stretch your palms. Breathe in. Out. Look like you are swimming backwards, okay? In. Out. And stand by one leg. And then relax your hands and your knees, your toes. And then offer a smile to yourself. Breathe in. Out. Then do reverse. So wonderful to have the time to move your legs and your hands at the same time. Okay, another leg. And reverse. This morning the weather is so nice, very fresh and cool. That's so wonderful. Open your palms, breathe in deep. Breathe out slow. Bring your mind back to the body. In the present moment, you may close your eyes and feel your 2 feet. Put your 2 palms in front of your lower abdomen. Feel grounded. With your lower abdomen rising when you breathe in. Lower abdomen is falling when you breathe out. And relax our body. Okay. The first movements we call the squats. Your 2 legs, and also you draw circles with your hands. Okay. 2 legs are parallel together, wider than your shoulders. Okay. So you can draw a circle from your lower abdomen. Then breathe in, up. Okay, stand up like that. And then you stretch your palm. Breathe out. You draw the circle down and squat your 2 legs as low as you can. Okay, so you can also walk out with your 2 legs. Breathe in. Stand up and move up. Out. You breathe in naturally through your nose. Okay. So you can circulate your blood and good for your internal organ. Breathe in, up. Out. Imagine your breathing calm and you circulate your blood also moving in and out. Okay, in. Out. Relax our body. Breathe in. Deep. Breathe out slow. You open your palms, draw a circle and squash your 2 legs down. Okay. In. Your breathing It's the movements, okay? Feel the two palms. Feel the two legs. In. Out. Let it go. Release all tensions from the shoulders, from the two legs. In. Out. One more time. In. Out. That's so wonderful. Open your palms. Inhale deep. Exhale slow. Bring your mind back to the body. And allow yourself to rest, to calm your body and calm your mind. Feel your lower abdomen.